has new laws against illegal immigration. It's been a hot topic in the state since last month when Governor Ron DeSantis pushed for a special session to support President Trump's plan of mass deportations. For many Republicans who wanted to act fast and supplement federal efforts, this is a win. For others, it's an attack on migrants to score political points. Our Capitol reporter For Saunders shows us what's in these new laws.
Effective immediately, illegal immigration now a state crime. In-state tuition for undocumented students ends at the end of the school year. More than $250 million getting handed out for immigration enforcement, and there's a resolution to who should be Florida's immigration czar. The Florida cabinet forming the state immigration board.
Even though it wasn't done as quickly as I would like, which, being in a perfect world would have been a couple of weeks ago, we still delivered something relatively quick to help Trump with his agenda.
For Republicans, this agreement marks a cessation of arms and a compromise, potentially more work in the regular session as well. That could include stricter work eligibility screenings, no longer just for about 15% of Florida businesses with 25 or more employees.
It's something I certainly am open to. I'm very disappointed at how poorly enforced the bill that we passed has been. Doesn't do us any good to pass laws if the ones we have on the books aren't being used.
Democrats were widely opposed to the legislation in both chambers. They consider it cruel, unconstitutional, and worry about how it'll be enforced.
These policies right now, there's no way to fully implement them if you don't pursue racial profiling.
That's as DACA recipients condemn the decision to strip away waivers for in-state tuition.
I know, speaking on my own behalf, if it wasn't for in-state tuition, I wouldn't have been able to continue my academic journey. I would have stopped right after high school. There is no other option for a lot of us.
Some Republicans have said they're interested in finding funding to help those currently enrolled avoid the coming increased costs of college. The House Minority Leader vowing to work with them to find a path forward if possible. In Tallahassee, For Saunders, ABC Action News.